Welcome student. Now new part, alcohols. Okay. After completing halogen derivative or alkyl halide, now we are going to start new part, alcohols. Alcohols. Now hydroxy group. What is the meaning of hydroxy group? Hydroxy group means bond OH. Oxygen attached to hydrogen and one bond still free. That group, in short, we can write bond OH. That is called hydroxyl group. Hydroxyl group. Okay. So this is the meaning of hydroxyl group. Here, oxygen attached to hydrogen, and out of two covalent bond of oxygen, one bond is with hydrogen and one bond is still free valency. That group is called hydroxyl group. And the compound containing this group and the compound containing hydroxyl group as a functional group are known as hydroxyl compound. Okay, hydroxyl compound. And some example of hydroxyl compounds are alcohols and phenols. There are two types of hydroxyl compound, alcohol and phenols. Okay, out of these two, we will start with alcohols. Alcohols. What are alcohols? See, alcohols are the hydroxyl group containing compound. Alcohols are hydroxyl group containing compound. Okay, means these alcohols contain OH group as a functional group. OH group is present as a functional group. Now, from aliphatic hydrocarbon, any aliphatic hydrocarbon, okay, it means alkane, alkene or alkyne, any. From this, if we replace one or more hydrogen, for example one hydrogen, by OH group, then that compound are known as alcohols. That resulting compounds are called alcohols. So what are alcohols? Alcohols are the class of organic compound which contain hydroxyl group, as a functional group, and they are obtained by replacing one or more hydrogen, but just take one hydrogen by one hydroxyl group. The resulting compounds are called alcohols. Any aliphatic hydrocarbon, any, maybe alkane, alkene or alkyne. From that aliphatic hydrocarbon, we have to remove one or more hydrogen atom from different carbon atom. Remember, here one condition is that we have to replace we can replace one or more hydrogen atom, but from different carbon atom in that aliphatic hydrocarbon by same number of hydroxyl group. The resulting compound are called alcohols. Okay, so means, in short, any hydrocarbon, aliphatic hydrocarbon, suppose this is the carbon of aliphatic hydrocarbon, and from that hydrocarbon we have to replace one hydrogen by one OH group, then the resulting compound is like this. This resulting compound, here OH group attached to aliphatic carbon, this is aliphatic carbon, are called alcohols. Okay, so alcohols are the hydroxyl group containing compound. They are obtained by replacing one or more hydrogen atom from different carbon atom, okay, by same number of hydroxyl group. The resulting compound are known as alcohols. Okay, getting my point? Very simple. So alcohols are various types. First is monohydric alcohol. Remember, we'll see monohydric alcohol. 1. If the alcohols contain one OH group, one hydroxyl group, then that is called monohydric alcohol. For example, methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol, vinyl alcohol, allyl alcohol. Okay, in all this hydroxyl group containing compound, all this example contain hydroxyl group as a functional group OH, 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 OH. But in all these, they contain single OH group. Here also single OH group, single OH group, single OH group, single OH group. So they are monohydric alcohol. They are known as monohydric alcohol. Okay. So these are simple classification. So alcohols have been classified into various types on the basis of number of OH group. Number of OH group. How many OH group present? If one OH group, then that is called monohydric alcohol. Similarly, dihydric alcohol. Dihydric. See example. Ethylene glycol. Glycol. In this compound contain two OH group which are present at different position. One OH group at one carbon atom, second OH group at another carbon atom. Both the OH group cannot be present on the same carbon atom. Remember, okay? And how dihydric alcohol obtained? They are obtained by replacing two hydrogen atom by two hydroxyl group at different position. So dihydric alcohol are obtained by replacing two hydrogen atom from different carbon atom. They are not from the same carbon atom. Okay, so they are obtained by replacing two hydrogen atom from aliphatic hydrocarbon from different position by two hydroxyl group. That is called dihydric alcohol. It is one of the example. Ethylene glycol. Similarly, trihydric alcohol. Mean for example, glycerol or glycerine. See this glycerol, trihydroxy alcohol. It contains three OH group, 1, 2, 3. But all these three OH group present at different carbon atom. That is called trihydric alcohol. Okay, alcohols are classified into various categories depending upon the number of OH group present: monohydric, dihydric, and trihydric. So again, similarly, polyhydric alcohol means alcohol which contain more than 2 OH group, 3 OH group, 4 OH group, all are collectively known as polyhydric alcohol. For example, one example which contain consider this. How many OH group present? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And all these 6 OH group present on different carbon atom. That is called hexahydric alcohol. Okay. So this is polyhydric alcohol. Okay. It contains more than 2 OH group. That is called polyhydric, or particularly in this example, 6 OH group present, therefore hexahydric alcohol. Okay, so alcohol are classified into monohydric, dihydric, trihydric, pentahydric, tetrahydric, like this. Okay, so and again, all the alcohol are in this classification. This classification depend upon the number of OH group present in that compound. If one OH group present, then monohydric, 2 OH group present, dihydric, 3 OH group present, trihydric, like this. Okay, but there is another way to classify alcohol. Okay, and that classification depend upon the carbon to which OH group attach. If suppose first one, alcohols in which OH group attached to sp3 hybridized carbon. Okay, means the alcohol in which having OH group, this OH group attached to sp3 hybridized carbon. Okay, so means this is the carbon atom of alkyl group. Okay, so the alcohol in which OH group attached, this is one of the category in which alcohol included in this category, the alcohol in which OH group attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. sp3 hybridized carbon atom means the carbon atom will going to form 4 sigma bond. 4 sigma bond, that is called sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Means simply it is this OH group attached to alkyl group, carbon atom of alkyl group. Okay, so all these alcohol belong to this family, and very important alcohols are alkyl alcohol. In this case, the alcohols are known as alkyl alcohol. Okay, alkyl alcohol, and they are obtained by replacing one hydrogen atom from alkane. Okay, like RH, replace one hydrogen by OH group, then the resulting compound is alkyl alcohol. That is called alkyl alcohol or alkanol. Okay, we will discuss this topic in detail. So, alcohol in which OH group attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom, that is one of the category of alcohol. Second, this part remains same, attached to sp3 hybridized carbon, which then means this carbon, which then attach to carbon carbon double bond unit. Okay, so means what? See, this is the carbon atom, sp3 carbon atom. Here again sp3 carbon, but one of the bond of this carbon is attached to carbon carbon double bond. This type of alcohol are known as allylic alcohol. Allylic alcohol. Allylic alcohol means what? The alcohol in which OH group attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom, and that carbon atom to which OH group attached to carbon carbon double bond. Okay, carbon carbon double bond. That is called allylic carbon atom. Allylic alcohol. Okay, and third, same attached to sp2 hybridized carbon. sp2 hybridized carbon means what? Which carbon? The carbon which form carbon carbon double bond. Okay, like this. If OH group attached directly to carbon carbon double bond unit, then that is called vinylic alcohol. Vinyl alcohol or vinylic alcohol. Vinylic alcohol. If the alcohol having this type of structural unit, OH group attached to carbon, and that carbon have formed double bond, means sp2 hybridized carbon atom, that is called vinylic alcohol. So first one is alkyl alcohol, allylic alcohol, vinylic alcohol, and last is benzylic alcohol, benzyl alcohol. Benzyl alcohol means what? See, again this OH group attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. This is sp3 hybridized carbon, but then that carbon atom attached to benzene ring. That is called benzylic alcohol. So alcohol are classified into monohydric alcohol. Especially monohydric alcohol are classified into 4 types. One is OH group attached to alkyl group, carbon atom of alkyl group, then that is alkyl alcohol. If OH group attached to carbon atom, and which that carbon have formed carbon carbon double bond unit which contain carbon carbon double bond, that is called allylic. Then directly attached to carbon carbon double bond, vinylic, and then such type of arrangement alcohol having such type of structural unit, that is called benzylic alcohol. Okay, so these are the different classes of monohydric alcohol. Okay, monohydric alcohol, see, these are monohydric. Monohydric alcohol means one OH group. Okay, so first one alkyl alcohol means this is purely sp2 sp3 carbon, then allylic alcohol means which alcohol? Carbon carbon double bond and then OH group, sp3 carbon again. Third, vinylic alcohol. Vinylic alcohol means OH group directly attached to carbon carbon double bond unit. Okay, and then last, benzylic alcohol. Benzylic alcohol means what? Attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom, and they have this carbon atom attached to benzene ring. That is called, just like in alkyl halide. Okay, alkyl alcohol, allylic alcohol, vinylic alcohol, and benzylic alcohol. Okay, so these are the different subclasses of monohydric alcohol. Now we will discuss monohydric alcohol, alkyl alcohol in detail. Okay, in your syllabus, preparation chemical properties of alkyl alcohol is mentioned, that we have to cover. Okay, so now start with alkyl alcohol. What is this? What is this alkyl alcohol? How they are obtained? See, consider alkane. Consider alkane, and from that alkane we have to replace one or more. In case of alkyl alcohol, one OH group by one, replace one hydrogen by one OH group. Just for example, consider methane. Methane. From this methane, replace one hydrogen, you will get methyl group. Okay. What is remaining? That is methyl group. Methyl group. And then attach one OH group to this carbon atom of methyl group. Then you will get like this. This is called methyl alcohol. Okay. So how this methyl alcohol obtained? It is obtained by replacing one hydrogen atom by one OH group, then methyl alcohol. So similarly, ethanol, from that ethanol replace one hydrogen by one OH group. Now in ethanol, both the carbon atom are same, so replace any one of them, so you will get ethyl alcohol. Okay. Take propane. Now in propane there are 3 carbon atoms, but out of 3, terminal carbon atom are identical. Means ultimately this propane having 2 types of carbon atom. This terminal carbon atom are identical and this is middle one. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to replace one hydrogen atom by OH group. So now we have 2 possibilities. We can replace hydrogen atom from this terminal carbon atom or from middle carbon atom. Okay. So if we replace terminal carbon atom, hydrogen atom from terminal, then we get CH3, CH2, CH2, OH. That is N-propyl alcohol. N-propyl alcohol. This is N-propyl group. That's why. Then if we replace middle carbon hydrogen atom, then CH3, CHOH, CH3. That is isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl, just like in alkyl halide, because this is isopropyl group and it is attached to this middle carbon atom. Okay, so that is isopropyl alcohol. And butane, if we consider butane, N-butane, replace hydrogen, you will get N-butyl alcohol, secondary butyl alcohol. Consider tertiary butane, isobutane. Consider N-butane. In N-butane there are 2 types of carbon atom. These 2 terminal carbon atom are of same type and these 2 are same type. So we have 2 types of alkyl alcohol, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2OH. That is called N-butyl alcohol. IUPAC name, common name already considered in your prior classes. Okay, no need to repeat again and again. Then this is secondary butyl consider isobutane. In isobutane, there are two types of carbon atom. These three methyl group are of same type, and these carbon are different. Okay, so replace one hydrogen by OH group. This is isobutyl alcohol, and if you replace this hydrogen, then we get tertiary butyl alcohol. Tertiary butyl alcohol. So these are the example of alkyl alcohol. Now tell me how this alkyl alcohol obtained? It is obtained by replacing one hydrogen atom from alkane by one OH group. Okay, so that is a simple definition of alkyl alcohol. Okay, just consider alkane. From that alkane, replace one hydrogen by one OH group. That resulting compound are called alkyl alcohol or alkanol. Just consider again. CnH2n plus 2, that is alkane. Okay, from that alkane replace one OH by hydrogen by OH group, so you will get CnH2n plus 2O. This is the general formula of alkyl alcohol. General formula of alkyl alcohol, CnH2n plus 2O. Okay, now RH is a representation of alkane, where R is alkyl group. Replace one hydrogen by one OH group, you will get ROH, that is alkyl alcohol. This is alkyl group and this is hydroxyl group. Okay, so this is the simple representation of alkyl alcohol. And now again, see, these alkyl alcohol are further classified into three types depending upon OH group, attachment of OH group to which carbon atom. First one is primary alkyl alcohol. Primary, see, for example, ethyl alcohol. In case of ethyl alcohol, the OH group attached to this carbon, and this carbon attached to how many carbon atom directly? One. Therefore, this is primary carbon atom, primary carbon. Okay, and in this alcohol, OH group attached to primary carbon atom. Therefore, it is called primary alkyl alcohol. So, ethanol, N-butanol, N-butyl alcohol, N-pentyl alcohol. These are the primary alkyl alcohol. Then secondary alkyl alcohol. Secondary means what? Consider example isopropyl alcohol. See, in isopropyl alcohol, the carbon to which OH group attached is secondary, because this carbon attached to two carbon atom directly. Therefore, it is secondary carbon atom. And this in this alcohol, OH group attached to secondary carbon atom. Therefore, it is secondary alcohol. Okay. There are various examples. We can easily identify this is secondary alcohol. Now, third, tertiary alkyl alcohol. What is this? For example, tertiary butyl bromide. Tertiary butyl bromide, OH group. Here, OH group attached to this carbon, and this carbon is tertiary carbon. How? Because it is attached to three carbon atom directly. Therefore, it is tertiary carbon atom, and OH group attached to tertiary carbon atom. Therefore, it is called tertiary alcohol. So, alkyl alcohol are further classified into three types: primary alkyl alcohol, secondary alkyl alcohol, and tertiary alkyl alcohol. In primary alkyl alcohol, OH group attached to primary carbon atom. In secondary alkyl alcohol, OH group attached to secondary carbon atom, and in tertiary alkyl alcohol, OH group attached to tertiary carbon atom. Okay, so these are the different classification of alcohols. Now, student, we already taken IUPAC and common nomenclature of alkyl alcohol. That just refer this common name and IUPAC name. Again, revise this, and in next class we will directly shift to preparation and chemical properties of alcohol. Thank you very much.